again with another video. As usual, man, giving y'all the good content, man. Make sure if you're new to the channel, man, make sure y'all go like, subscribe to the channel, man. But right now, we gotta do a how-to video. Y'all already know what it is. We gotta do how to plug a tire that got a nail in it. So this right side of my Dodge Journey got a nail in it, and I'm gonna show y'all. See the nail? See the nail? I have this nail, as you see, right here, nail in the tire. I'm gonna show y'all how to plug that tire, how to plug that hole in without taking the tire off. When you go to like an auto shop, they take the tire off and they plug it. I'm gonna show you how to do it without taking the tire off at all. It's very simple, real easy. I'm gonna show you the tools, what you need right now. Tire repair plug. It's a bulk of 30. I just got this at AutoZone for like what, $10 plus tax. Normally it comes with, you can get like a basic kit. It comes with this right here, this handle, and the little plug thingy. Pretty much the whatever it is, the little handle. It comes with it for like $5. It only has 4 tire plugs in there, but I already have like 2 of these, so I have one in both cars just in case. So make sure you keep this on you in your cars, because you can always hit a nail or whatever, and you can fix it in there. So make sure you have this right here in your car. And then also what you're gonna need, you're gonna need an air pump, because when you pull it out, just think about it. When I pull this out, you're gonna hear a lot of air come out, because obviously this tire is weighted. It's not off the vehicle, so it's gonna lose a good amount of air. But this is the whole reason for this. So make sure you have this right here. The need, man, let's get into the video. So all I did was roll the vehicle back to see where I can get the handle in, because obviously it has a certain length to it. So you can't put the handle in at the top. I guess you could, depending, just depending on where the hole is. My hole is on the outside of the tire, which is right there, which is really easy. Sometimes you nail like right here or right here. So then you got to go a little further back than how far I am, and you got to get it from under here. So that's me. Make sure that you have your tire plug and your handle on the side. So I have mine right here, right beside the tire, so whenever I pull it out, it won't let so much air out. So that's why you want to have this right beside where you're at. So you want to go ahead and get this ready before you pull it out. And you can put everything else up, put the rest of the plugs up, but you want to go ahead and get this ready. So I'm gonna put this in here. And pull it on the other side. Pull it to the middle. You hear the air coming out, it's a lot of air going, but once you get it in, just turn it. You see the swivels on there, just going to the right. And I'll pull it out. You can go in further, but I'm gonna go ahead and pull it out. That's what she said, go in further. A little further. And that's pretty much it. As you drive, it will just wear down onto the tire. So you can drive like maybe 10 miles or just get on the highway. It'll go down, but you'll feel it. I mean, this is an SUV, so you might not feel it, but you'll feel it like kind of bump a little bit, and then it'll start to flatten out after like 5 miles or so, because it is kind of like just tire or a tar. So, and that's pretty much the end of the video. I want to say one more thing. Once again, make sure you keep one of these in your car. this in the handle, keep this in your car. If you got 2 or 3 cars, keep them all in your car, because you never know when you run into a problem like that on the side of the road. You might be on a road trip. You actually most likely will need this. But man, make sure y'all go like, share, subscribe to the channel, man. Make sure you hit the notification bell so y'all can be notified. So you can be notified every time I post a video, man. It's your brother Mike.
The spiritual levels, no dancing with devils, no fellow with rebels. Some digging with shovels, they digging real deep. Some humble, they hearken, they listen, they meet. Some praise the Most High 7 days of the week. Some put in that work and go teach in the streets. Some just come to take up the air that we breathe.